Grace, I need you to bring me all the files for every case I have in court next week so we can review them together.
There are 42 cases set for hearing next week. Do you really want them all right now?
Yes. I will not remember any of these people, having only spent enough time with them to make sure they would retain me at their free initial consultation. I will need to refamiliarize myself with their cases.
I will gather them and bring them to you right after lunch. It is almost 12:30 and I haven't had a chance to eat yet. People have been calling all morning to complain that you have not returned their last 3 phone calls. Many of them are irate and have cursed at me with loud voices.
I really need the files right now. I also need you to bring me the changes on the discovery requests for the Newman divorce.
You did not give me any changes to make to those documents.
Yes, I did. When I met with Mr. Newman yesterday, I told him you would add several questions and make alterations to several others. Where are they?
Seeing that you failed to tell me what you told Mr. Newman and I did not pass my mind reading class at the third-rate community college at which I studied for 2 long and expensive years to obtain my unlicensed paralegal career associate's degree, I have made no additions or alterations to Mr. Newman's discovery requests.
You are a failure at your job. I cannot believe I pay you $8 per hour for this sort of shoddy work.
You are a failure as a human being. I cannot believe I accepted $8 per hour with no benefits other than free parking just to put up with your arrogant, lazy, delusional temper tantrums.
Where are the files I asked you for earlier?
They are still in the filing cabinet, where they will remain for about another hour. I will go to lunch and then bring them to you.
I need you to make a pot of coffee first, and then schedule me for a haircut before you pull the files.
I will take care of that after lunch.
No, I really need you to do all of that before you leave for lunch. That way, when you return from lunch to find that I have not drunk the coffee or looked at the files before leaving for the afternoon to go play golf without telling you where I was going, you will see that your compliance with my wishes only made you later for lunch, and did nothing to impress me. I will also be missing the haircut appointment you make me for this afternoon. Further, the appointments I have scheduled for right after lunch will show up expecting to see me, but will only be seeing you, a fact that will irritate them tremendously and cause them to take out their frustrations on you. You will be cursed at many more times today. And when you arrive each morning for the rest of this week, you will see the pile of files I asked you for, and which I have failed to review, sitting on my desk where you put them and where they will remain until next week, when I will demand that you verbally apprise me of their contents as I fly out of the office 45 minutes late to court.
I am going to lunch now.
That will be fine. Go ahead and make the coffee, make my hair appointment, bring me the Newman discovery with changes and those files we just discussed, and you can go on to lunch.
Bite me, Mr. Rogant, Senior of Rogant and Rectum, Attorneys at Law. I quit.
You cannot quit until I have coffee, a haircut appointment, the Newman discovery, and those files. I am a very important attorney and I must have certain basic standards for my employees. Also, if you quit, I must warn you that we will never have the affair I have considered commencing with you.
Oh dear. Please do not tempt me with the prospect of an affair with you that would lead to, quite possibly, several years of unsatisfying sexual relations with a man who will make empty promises of leaving his wife and taking care of me in a manner to which I have never been accustomed. However will I live with myself if I leave this firm, knowing what I would be missing with you?
So, where are we on the coffee?